Hi guys, here definitely Mario today. Sorry for yesterday, I have no time to upload a video because we have here a holiday and my family wants to spend time with me. So today we will get another video. Let us go to Unreal Engine. You remembered we have to try to get our flashlight to work. But I reconsidered it. Normally, in games like Phasmophobia or Ghost Watchers or any else, you'll not see actively the flashlight in your hands. You will have your EMF, you will have your spirit box or something else in your hand, and your light goes on and off by clicking maybe F for flashlight. But you will not hold two items at the same time in your hands. So, with this point in mind, we will build out our flashlight and implement a simple flashlight on and off functionality. So first off, let us build out our flashlight. For that, we go here and delete this and save. We go here, we delete this, we save. Now if we start, our arms are back like a zombie. We will change that at the moment we implement the interaction and item system. And we have here the flashlight on the ground. Let us delete it. We don't need it anymore. Save. And now let us implement the light from the flashlight on our character. So we go here, plus spotlight, spotlight. So, and in the most horror games, the light comes for the first person around here. So let us do it too. We will here. Wrong axis. Again, wrong axis. Right axis. So now we will have a light from our chest like we were Iron Man. Let's compile. Play. Okay, the light. Shine, you can see it, you see it? The light is on. So we need a little bit darker space for us, so let us create it. Let us duplicate this. And let us expand it. So we have a nice little ceiling above our world. So we can have some darkness here. Yeah. Let us press play again. And let us see. You see our light is now a little bit better, but we can adjust it a little bit more. So we have now intensity of 5,000. Let us go up to 7,400 and let us see our light now. It could be, yeah, it's better. For now, before we go into our first real map, we can let it like it is. Now we need the light to be not shine on start. Yeah, this goes a visible way. It goes multiple way. We use the visible way. Now if we go here, you see no more light cone is there. Good. So we have to implement a new input action like we did before. We go on input action, EA for input action, flashlight. Then we go on input and IMG default. We create a new mapping, we go on flashlight and do it on F for simplicity. I'm really sure I say it wrong, but I hope you know what I mean. Now we have to do something on the blueprint. We go on the event graph. We take our flashlight input action. We go to an flip-flop. Flip-flop. We take our flashlight here. Visibility. We do it one time here. We do it one time here. We say at the first, we make it on the second, we made it off. Why we make it so? Because our default state is the lamp is off. You see, I press and it kind of flicker. The reason for that is pretty simple. We go here on triggered. That's the problem. We have to take started. So it fires only one time and not multiple times. Let us go back. Now if we press F, it goes on, it goes off, on, off. At the moment we implement the items, we will go more on this logic. Why? We want only to make the light on or off if we take a flashlight. Now we have not take a flashlight, but we can use it. But for this step, it's okay. Yeah. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoy it and have a nice day.